Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to allow microphone on Kiwi browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Kiwi browser. So the next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and go to site settings. So the next thing you need to do is to simply go to microphone. It opens up like so. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you turn on this button. So finally, you have to do the setting on your phone as well. So what we need to do is to exit from the Kiwi browser. Then we have to head over to our phone settings. So for you to do that, just simply locate settings on your phone. So I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply make use of search app from your settings section. Then what you need to do is to search for permission manager. Then you have it right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on permission manager. It opens up like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on permission manager. Then take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then make sure you look for microphone. So click on that. So it take you right here. Then you can simply scroll down and look for the Kiwi browser. Scroll down until you see Kiwi browser. So just like so, we have Kiwi browser right here. Simply click on it and it's open up like so. Now allow only while using the app. Ask every time, don't allow. You can simply switch to allow only while using the app, and with that you have allow and enable microphone on your Kiwi browser without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.